Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to find a solution about Twitter app problem, you should just go to settings here. Then this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Twitter. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache. In the end, you can go to airplane mode. You can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. And you can go to Play Store. You can click uninstall and you can wait a moment to install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.